Hi, what exactly is the difference between Enagic's SD501 and the K8? Well, we know the 501 has 7 plates and the K8 has 8 plates in the ionizing chamber, which will give more potent antioxidant water, hydrogen-rich water. So I've always wanted to measure, and I've had my 501 for about 1.5 years. I love it. It's helped me through so many symptoms, as well as I've never had my mind so sharp and clear and on the ball, so much so that I wanted more, and that's why I actually went to get the K8 for myself, and this is now going to become my loaner machine. So I'm so excited. It's already going out tomorrow to friends out in Merritt, so super excited. So let's have a look. We're going to turn on the ORP meter. Read that backwards. It's the potential to reduce oxidation. So we know that, for example, when you cut an apple and it starts turning brown, it's rusting, it's aging, and that's a lot what's happening to our body. It's aging. We're looking for negative numbers. So for example, you might have heard green tea is a great antioxidant, and the best green tea is sometimes around -40 or -50 as an antioxidant. Let's try Kangen water now. -345. So this is the only negative number. So this is an antioxidant number. So if I try that again, I'm just going to go back into the Vancouver city water. So very clean water does not mean healthy water. This is very rusting for your body. Again, we're going to dip back into the Kangen water. It's going to get to a negative number, and that's what you want. You want, you know, healthy, alive food and alive water. And here we are again, -360. Hi everyone. All right, so I've just installed my K8. Super excited, especially for someone like me. I'm so not mechanically inclined. But even I was able to install this machine in about 10 or 15 minutes. And so let's see what the difference is. So to start, I'm going to collect more tap water. Wow, look at how hydrogen rich this water is. Look at that. Look at those bubbles of love and antioxidant right there. So let's go back to the ORP meter. Turn that thing on. Go back into the tap water, see what we get. Climbing, climbing. All right. We're getting there. I'm going to reach that 600 and then I'm going to drop it in this other water. Our 9.5 from the Kangen, 580. There we go, 600. So from that 600, that's Vancouver's tap water. We're going into the 9.5 from the K8. Immediately jump to a negative number. Wow, look at, oh my gosh, -600, folks. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Hang on, let's try it again. Let's see if we can do that again. So here's a positive. We were at +600. I don't want to wait for it to climb. You saw it climb, climb, climb. All right. We can wait. We can wait. I don't have the patience. Let's just jump back into the K8. This is the one I really want to know. All right. Wow. -600. Are you kidding me? Woo! So there you have it. 9.5 water from the K8 can actually take Vancouver's oxidizing, very acidic water at a +600 and turn that into -600 antioxidant, hydrogen-rich water for your body. I really just want to share that information because I've been able to help myself with so many different symptoms, including chronic nausea, some pain I had from a degenerative disc, and the biggest one for me is in 2006. I was diagnosed with macular degeneration. That was my 3rd diagnosis, actually, and that doctor pretty much said, go home, contact the CNIB, and have them help you with coping on how to become blind. And when I called the CNIB, they were even ready to offer me a white cane. I said, what? I said, I'm so not ready for that. I said, hold the bus right there. I'm getting off, and I'm going to find ways to actually get better. And I did. I graduated as an acupuncturist. I was able to help a lot of my vision, but I was still sort of not great, not what I was looking for. And this water has just knocked it out of the park for me. My vision has greatly improved to the point where I'm reading, right? I'm reading things without my glasses. And this is someone who's supposed to go blind in 2006. So I got to tell you, for me, this is awesome water, and this is why I share this information, because I really want to make a dent in how we take care of our health, right? It's not just doctors who are in charge. I mean, it's important. They're a part of the team to take care of you, but ultimately it's up to you to find what you need to get super healthy. All right, so there you have it, the comparison between 9.5 water coming from the SD501 and 9.5 water coming from the K8. And so to your health, my friends, to your health.